Out of commission, unraveling its meaning. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the phrase, out of commission. You might have heard it in conversations or seen it in writings. It's a common phrase, but what does it really mean? Let's dive in and unravel its meaning together. The phrase, out of commission, is used to describe something that is not currently functioning or is unable to perform its intended purpose. It can refer to a wide range of subjects, from machinery and vehicles to people who are temporarily unable to work or participate in usual activities due to illness or injury. Example in a sentence: the elevator in our building is out of commission, so we'll have to use the stairs. Understanding the origin of the phrase can help us grasp its meaning better. Out of commission has a naval origin. In the maritime world, when a ship was not fit for service, either due to repairs or maintenance, it was termed as being out of commission. Over time, this phrase transcended its nautical roots and became a part of everyday language to denote anything that is not operational or fit for use. It's important to know how to correctly use this phrase in a sentence. Out of commission is versatile and can be used in various contexts. 1. For objects, machinery. After the storm, the power lines were out of commission for several days. 2. For people. I'm out of commission today because of a bad cold. 3. In professional settings, our main printer is out of commission, so please use the one in the meeting room. Remember, the phrase is generally used to indicate a temporary state. The subject is expected to return to its functional or operational state after some time or repair. Understanding synonyms or similar phrases can enrich your vocabulary. Here are some alternatives to out of commission: not operational, out of order, inactive, non-functional, incapacitated, often used for people. That's all about the phrase, out of commission. It's a handy phrase to describe something or someone that's not currently functional or active. Whether it's a gadget, a vehicle, or a person needing a sick day, knowing how to use this phrase can add precision and variety to your English. We hope this video has been informative and added a useful expression to your English vocabulary. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.